Okay, I was on drugs, I was feeling kinda funny, but then that fateful day you pulled up in a buggy. It took me a couple minutes and I felt kinda lovely. That beautiful face and your sexy eyes, man, I must be a lucky guy. We can lay in the grass and look up in the sky, but babe, please, don't ever say goodbye, cause this is our night and we own it. It's just you and me and we owe it to ourselves to be happy. I won't worry, will you? So many fun times, we even traded shoes. Yeah, baby, I love you and I don't want this feeling to end. I'll be flexible and I'll even try to bend. We can make it work. Fuck all the bitches in the world. This is our life that we're living and it's the life that we chose. I'll never lose sight of what's important to us, and I'll always give you the maximum amount of trust, cause this is the lust. It's never been a bust. Every day I wake up and I smile, cause you know I dreamt about you for a while. Yeah, you're my girl and I'm your guy. I know the love game can be kinda sly, but not this time, cause my rhymes, they don't lie. This is just my way to show you how I feel. Baby, let me ask a question. You wanna make a deal? You know what? I'll give you the world and I'll give you the sky. I can't give you diamonds, but I'll always be a guy. This will never change. I'll be Superman, you can be Lois Lane. I'll save you from the world. Just listen to my words. They can take you away to a special place where nothing matters, cause we're all the same. It's my game. It's not lame. It's yours too, so don't be shy. I have one last question. What do you see in a guy like me? And I just want you to know you make me so happy. My love will never end. Kate, this is us. I'm talking trust. I'm sorry if the rap don't make sense yet, but I bet soon enough you will get it.